So, can you really earn money just by walking? Today we're diving into WeWard, an app that promises to reward you for your steps. But does it deliver on that promise, or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. WeWard is essentially a mobile application designed to encourage users to walk more by rewarding them with points for each step they take. It tracks your daily activity and converts those steps into wards, which can later be redeemed for various rewards like gift cards or cash. The user interface is pretty straightforward, making it easy to log your walks and see your progress at a glance. However, while the concept seems appealing, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the actual value of the rewards can vary significantly, and it isn't always obvious how many points you need for specific rewards. The app targets health-conscious individuals and those looking to gamify their fitness routine, but it raises questions about its long-term viability. Are the rewards enticing enough to keep users engaged over time? That's something potential users might want to consider. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, WeWard provides a fun way to incentivize walking, especially for those who might need a little extra motivation to stay active. The app is user-friendly, and the idea of earning rewards for something as simple as walking is quite appealing. On the downside, some users report that the rewards can feel underwhelming. The conversion rate of steps to points can be frustratingly low, and it may take a while to actually earn something substantial. Additionally, there are concerns about the app's privacy policies, as it collects a fair amount of personal data. If you're not comfortable with that, it might be a deal breaker. Overall, while WeWard has its strengths, it may not suit everyone. In conclusion, WeWard could be a fun and motivating tool for those looking to increase their daily activity. If you enjoy walking and appreciate the idea of earning rewards, it might be worth a try. But if you're expecting substantial rewards or have concerns about data privacy, you might want to explore other options.